Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied Tutorial Series. My name is Bonnie. I'm an admissions officer. In this video, we will be covering the colleges attended tile in the academic history quadrant. To begin, once you've completed adding your high schools attended, you will navigate to the colleges attended tile within the academic history quadrant. From here, you will be asked to enter all of the colleges that you attended. If you reported that you are a first-year applicant with college coursework, the process of adding colleges attended will be the same as that for transfer students. Report all colleges and institutions attended, regardless of their relevance to the programs you're applying to and whether the coursework completed there was already transferred to another institution. Report each institution only once, regardless of the number of degrees earned or gaps in the dates of attendance. Once you submit your application, you cannot edit the previously entered colleges and universities. To get started with adding your colleges attended, click the Add a College or University button. Begin typing the full institution name. The system will display results that match the information you typed. Select the correct matching institution. It may take several tries to find your school, especially if it shares a name with others or could be spelled differently. For example, if you attended St. John's University, you may need to try St. John S-A-I-N-T, John, or you may need to try S-T period John, or S-T and no period John to bring up the school on the list. If you've exhausted all options and it does not appear, select Can't Find Your School and manually type the name of your college or university. Select if you obtained or plan to obtain a degree from the selected institution. If you earned or plan to earn a degree, provide details about the earned or expected degree. If your major is not found as your school identifies, select the closest related major. Associate degree for transfer applicants can identify their degrees, but this does not classify you as an AAT or an AST applicant. You must also identify your degree in the extended profile. Click Add Another Degree to add additional degrees as needed. Select your colleges and universities term system. You can usually find this on the back of your official transcripts, or you can contact your colleges or universities registrar. Term system refers to the type of hours your credits are worth, not the length of the term or how many terms a year your college or university offered. If your transcript lists some terms as quarters and others as semester, enter the term type that is most common. If you had 6 quarter terms and 2 semester terms, enter quarter. Enter dates of the first and last terms you attended. If you are still attending that college, you will check the box rather than entering the last semester. If you have stopped taking courses at that college, you will enter the last semester attended. Be sure to only enter each college and university you attended once, regardless of gaps in your attendance there. Click Save to complete the entry. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.